Children in Wales in years 2 to 9 will take an online personalised assessment for numeracy and reading at least once during the school year. The school can decide when the assessments are taken. The purpose of these assessments is to find out where your child is in their learning and to help plan next steps. Your child's teacher will receive feedback for reading and numeracy, procedural, shortly after each assessment, which they may discuss with your child before sharing with you. Your child can also access their feedback for reading and numeracy, procedural, when logged into Hub, the Welsh Government's digital learning platform. The feedback provides useful information to support teachers in planning future learning and progression. There will be separate feedback for reading and numeracy, procedural. Each feedback report will include samples of the skills areas in which your child gave correct answers to the most challenging questions, some of the skills areas in which your child gave an incorrect answer. Sample questions relevant to each skill listed within the feedback can be viewed by clicking on the Sample Question PDF button when your child is logged into their Hub account. There are also sections that relate to your child's overall attainment in each of the assessments and provide an overview of the sort of skills that pupils with a similar pattern of answers are able to achieve or are working towards. After a numeracy reasoning assessment, your child's teacher will have resources and activities to use in class to support the development of their reasoning skills. This takes the place of your child having access to online feedback after this assessment. The feedback is a snapshot of your child's skills at the time the assessment was taken. It is just one piece of information regarding your child's knowledge and understanding, which their teacher will be able to consider alongside the other information they have on your child's work in the classroom. You will receive separate reports showing your child's progress over time. Your child may have taken more than one assessment in reading and numeracy each year, so the progress chart will either have 1 or 2 assessments shown for each school year. Using the information from their assessments, the chart shows where your child is in relation to all other children in their year group in Wales who took the assessment at the same time of year that they did, and shows your child's progress over time. The report also includes your child's age standardized score for their most recent assessment. This shows how your child has done compared with other children in Wales who were born in the same year and month, and who took the assessment at the same time of year as your child. The score range is 70 to 130, and the average is 100. If you have any questions about your child's feedback or progress, talk to their teacher, who will be able to provide you with more information about how your child's reading and numeracy skills are developing. For more information, visit the Personalised Assessments Parents and Carers section at hub.gov.wales or follow us on X at WG_education.